Hello, this is Jeff Gouch from UNF ITS Security, and today we're going to be going over Stealthbits StealthAudit tool, and part of this tool is resource ownership. As we roll out this product, we plan to identify all owners of all unstructured data shares found on our network shares at UNF. If you are responsible for a department share or any other type of team share, such as this one shown here on Oak, Cheetah, or other type of file systems at UNF, expect to receive an email very similar to this. This email is basically identifying you as the resource owner, and you will be responsible for doing routine access reviews and seeing what kind of sensitive data is found in your shares. When receiving this type of email, this is your choice to confirm or deny whether the folder path that was sent to you via email is in fact owned by you or not. You have a simple choice of logging in and confirming this or denying it. Most likely, you will be confirming this.